What will the world look like in 2050? What mind-blowing events will reshape our world before then? These are the questions that often ignite our curiosity, and surprisingly, the answers are not as far-fetched as you might think. Welcome to Future Shock 2050, where we delve into the cutting-edge developments and predictions that are set to redefine our world in less than 3 decades. In this exploration, we'll traverse the landscape of technological advancements, where artificial intelligence, biotechnology, space exploration, and renewable energy are at the forefront of revolution. We'll also navigate through the environmental transformations that our planet is expected to undergo, and the innovative solutions being developed to tackle these challenges. Lastly, we'll examine the societal shifts that are anticipated, driven by changing demographics, evolving norms, and emerging global trends. So, buckle up for this time-traveling journey to uncover the future that awaits us. Join us on this time-traveling journey to uncover the future that awaits us. Imagine a world where robots are your co-workers, or where diseases are detected even before symptoms appear. This isn't just the stuff of science fiction, it's the tangible future being shaped by today's technological advancements. Take artificial intelligence, or AI, for instance. The leaps and bounds we've made in this field are nothing short of breathtaking. We're not just talking about voice-activated assistants that can order your groceries. We're talking about AI that can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. Imagine the impact on healthcare. AI could analyze patient data to predict health risks and provide personalized treatment plans. It could even detect diseases like cancer in their earliest stages long before symptoms appear. But let's not stop there. AI is also poised to revolutionize the way we work. We're seeing the rise of collaborative robots, or cobots as they're called. These aren't the factory line robots of old. They're designed to work alongside humans, learning from us and assisting us. They could take over repetitive tasks, freeing us to focus on more complex and creative tasks. Now, let's shift gears and talk about biotechnology. It's another field that's pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. With advancements in genetic engineering, we're not just treating diseases, we're preventing them. Techniques like CRISPR are allowing us to edit genes, potentially eradicating genetic disorders and diseases. We're even exploring the use of biotech to slow down and maybe even reverse the aging process. Space exploration, too, is experiencing a renaissance. We've sent rovers to Mars, we've detected water on the Moon, and we're planning manned missions to Mars. The final frontier is becoming less final by the day. And it's not just about exploration, it's also about colonization. The idea of humans living on Mars isn't as far-fetched as it once was. And let's not forget about renewable energy. The quest for clean, sustainable energy is reshaping our world. Wind, solar, and hydro energy are becoming increasingly viable alternatives to fossil fuels. And then there's nuclear fusion, the holy grail of energy. If we crack it, we're looking at a virtually unlimited supply of clean, safe energy. But what does all of this mean for us? Well, it means a future where we live longer, healthier lives. It means a future where we work alongside intelligent machines that enhance our abilities. It means a future where we harness the power of the sun, wind, and water to fuel our world. And it might even mean a future where we become a multiplanetary species. These technological advancements promise a future that might seem straight out of science fiction. Our planet is changing, and the consequences could be monumental. As we peer into the looking glass of the future, we see a world shaped by the relentless march of climate change. It's a world where the mercury doesn't just rise, it sprints upwards. Swaths of land once lush and fertile are transformed into arid wastelands, while others are drowned by the surging seas. Scientists predict that by the mid-century, global temperatures could rise by up to 2 degrees Celsius, pushing us past the threshold set by the Paris Agreement. This warming will be accompanied by a symphony of environmental transformations, from the melting of polar ice caps and the rise in sea levels to shifts in weather patterns and the extinction of countless species. Imagine the city of Miami, the glimmering jewel of Florida's coastline. It's predicted that by 2050, much of this vibrant city could be submerged under the azure waves of the Atlantic. The Maldives, an idyllic island nation known for its stunning beaches, is also facing a similar fate. Rising sea levels, fueled by the relentless melting of ice caps, threaten to wipe these locations off the map. But it's not just about submerged cities or vanishing islands. The ripples of climate change will be felt far and wide. Changes in precipitation patterns could lead to longer and more severe droughts in some regions, threatening food security and causing social unrest. On the flip side, other regions could witness increased rainfall leading to devastating floods. These changes will also unsettle ecosystems, pushing many species to the brink of extinction. Coral reefs, the vibrant underwater metropolises, are already feeling the heat. As ocean temperatures rise, these reefs are bleaching and dying at an alarming rate, threatening the survival of countless marine species that call these reefs home. Yet, in the face of these daunting challenges, humanity is not without hope. We are innovating and adapting, devising solutions to mitigate these environmental transformations. Take carbon capture technology, for instance. It's a promising field that aims to trap carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it safely, thereby reducing our carbon footprint. Giants in the tech industry, like Elon Musk, are championing this cause, offering millions in prize money for the best carbon capture solutions. Then, there's the green revolution in agriculture. Scientists are developing drought-resistant crops and exploring sustainable farming practices. Vertical farming, hydroponics, and aquaponics are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They are real, tangible solutions that could ensure food security in a changing world. Renewable energy, too, is making strides. Solar, wind, and hydropower are increasingly replacing fossil fuels, helping us to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Moreover, advancements in battery technology could soon make renewable energy a reliable, round-the-clock source of power. In the realm of conservation, efforts are being ramped up to protect endangered species and their habitats. From the establishment of marine protected areas to the reintroduction of species into their native habitats, these initiatives are aimed at preserving Earth's biodiversity for future generations. So, while the future of our environment may seem grim, it's not set in stone. The actions we take today, the solutions we devise, and the changes we embrace can alter the course of our planet's future. Remember, the Earth does not belong to us. We belong to the Earth, and it's our responsibility to safeguard this precious home for ourselves and for those who come after us. The future of our environment hinges on the decisions we make today, so let's make them count. As our world evolves, so do the societies within it. Just as the planet is in a constant state of flux, so too are the people who inhabit it. The societies of tomorrow will look vastly different from those of today, shaped by powerful demographic shifts and changing societal norms. One of the most significant trends we are witnessing is the aging of populations. By the year 2050, it is projected that 1 in 6 people in the world will be over the age of 65. This is up from 1 in 11 in 2019. This demographic shift poses both challenges and opportunities. On one hand, it places a greater burden on healthcare systems and social services. On the other hand, it opens up new markets for products and services tailored to the needs and wants of older adults. Simultaneously, we're seeing a massive shift towards urbanization. More people are moving to cities in search of better opportunities, creating a surge in urban populations. By 2050, it's estimated that nearly 7 out of 10 people will live in cities. This mass migration will reshape our societies, influencing everything from the design of our cities to the way we work, live, and interact. But urbanization also brings its own set of challenges. Cities will need to find ways to accommodate larger populations while managing resources efficiently and sustainably. They'll have to grapple with issues like housing, transportation, and waste management, and find innovative solutions to these problems. Another powerful force shaping society is digitalization. The digital revolution is changing how we communicate, work, learn, and even think. With the rise of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other advanced technologies, we're seeing a shift towards a more interconnected, digital society. This has implications for everything from the job market to the education sector, privacy, and security. The role of technology in shaping society cannot be overstated. Take, for example, the rise of remote work. With the advent of digital technologies, more people are able to work from home or any location of their choice. This has implications for everything from the design of our homes to the structure of our workdays. In the realm of education, digital learning platforms and online courses are breaking down barriers to access. People from all over the world can now access high-quality education from the comfort of their own homes. This has the potential to democratize education, making it more accessible and affordable for all. However, the digital revolution also brings with it a host of new challenges. Digital divide, cybersecurity threats, privacy concerns, and the impact of screen time on mental health are just some of the issues we'll need to navigate as we move towards a more digital society. And finally, we must consider how these societal shifts will change our social norms. As we become more urbanized, digitalized, and age-diverse, our norms around family, work, and community will inevitably evolve. What will normal look like in 2050? Only time will tell. All these shifts, demographic, urban, digital, are interconnected, each influencing and being influenced by the others. They're not just changes to be managed, they're opportunities to be seized. They're chances for us to shape our societies in ways that are more inclusive, sustainable, and equitable. In the end, it's not just about predicting the future, but about creating it. It's about harnessing these societal shifts to build a world that reflects our highest values and aspirations. Because, as always, society is a mirror of the times, reflecting and responding to the world around it. The future is not a distant reality, but a continuum of the present. As we journey towards the future, three key pillars will fundamentally reshape our world: technological advancements, environmental transformations, and societal shifts. These are not isolated phenomena, but intricately interconnected facets of our evolving reality. Technological breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, biotechnology, space exploration, and renewable energy are poised to revolutionize our lives. They will redefine our workplaces, healthcare systems, and even our leisure activities. However, with these advancements come ethical and societal challenges that we must address. The future will require us to adapt, learn, and grow in ways we can't fully fathom yet. Environmental transformations, driven largely by climate change and rising sea levels, are set to alter our planet's very landscapes. They will affect biodiversity, resource availability, and human settlements. Yet, amidst these challenges, innovations aimed at mitigating environmental issues are shining beacons of hope. They remind us that we have the power to shape our environment, to heal the damage inflicted, and to chart a sustainable path forward. Societal shifts, influenced by changing demographics and evolving societal norms, will redefine how we live and interact. The role of technology in these shifts cannot be overstated. From creating global communities to transforming our understanding of identity, technology will be at the heart of societal evolution. The implications of these future events are profound. They will challenge our perceptions, test our resilience, and push us to innovate. But importantly, they will also provide opportunities. Opportunities to build a more equitable, sustainable, and inclusive world. Opportunities to redefine what it means to be human in the context of a rapidly changing world. While the future is uncertain, one thing is clear: the world of 2050 will be a vastly different place. The question is, are we ready for the future shock?